Ugh. This hiking stuff is for the birds. I don't understand why anyone does it these days. I need something to drink. I'm so tired. What's this? New Zeus energy drink? I think I'll try it. Go. Energy! That's my energy, gliders! Oh my gosh. I've been running for days. Days, I tell you. I don't know if it's after me or not. I don't know what to do. I just keep running and I hear it everywhere. Everywhere, I tell you. It's just coming after me. I've been running. It won't stop. It won't stop. I don't know what to do. Did you hear it? Is it there? Is it there? Guys? 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 Where are you? Where are you? Okay. Do I have to scream? I don't care, go.
Now we can see the building.
Okay. Okay, stop! Okay guys, this nature is perfect. I think this is the perfect spot to do our entire presentation. You know what I mean? I think it's just gonna work. Something hit my head. You know, I think this. Do you have enough test shots now?
Yeah.
No. I don't know. Your hair's going limp, so maybe that's just There's something in my hair! Is there not something in my hair? What is in my hair? It could be her hat. I don't know, it could be. That's not funny. That's not funny at all. No.
Now, jog towards me.
And then me and Ricky will make noise. Get out of here.
Turn around, he can like run to the side.
Get back, you beast. Back, beast. Back. Here comes the monster.
That's why it's so funny.
Touch it. I don't care. Bootylicious. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Yeah.
Action.
I'm the granny in the woods. Monster chased me down the hill, and I ran up and down like a frightened little girl. Like a word.